Hello, I'm Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooks You here, and this is what a chain stitch looks like. And this is the abbreviation for a chain stitch, and this is what you'll see in a written pattern, in a crochet pattern. CH stands for this stitch, this chain stitch. Sometimes you may also see it as CH space ST, meaning chain stitch. So once you have your slip knot, which you would have learnt in the previous tutorial, you're basically just going to make the chain stitches after the slip knot. So I can show you again how to do the slip knot quickly, and then we'll get into the chain stitches, and also how to do the foundation chain. So this is the slip knot that we always start with. Popping your hook in, pulling down on the working end of the yarn, and now we'll make a chain stitch. Yarn over the hook, pull it through the one loop on the hook, and there's a chain stitch. Yarn over hook, pull it through the loop on the hook, there's a second chain stitch. Now yarn over hook also has an abbreviation in crochet patterns, and you'll see it either as yarn over or yarn over hook. So YO or YOH means yarn over hook, which is this action. That's yarn over or yarn over hook. So let's continue on making some more chain stitches. Yarn over, pull through the loop, and there's your chain stitch. Yarn over, pull through that one loop, and there's your chain stitch. So a foundation chain is a chain made up of these chain stitches. So if you just kept making chain stitches, as you can see, it's a long chain called a foundation chain, because this is the base for all your projects. So you'll usually see at the start of a pattern, it'll say chain 18 or chain 20 or whatever number of chain stitches are required for that pattern. So you make however many chain stitches you need at the start of the crochet pattern to create the foundation chain, and you would be ready to now start crocheting crochet stitches, like a single crochet stitch, a half double crochet stitch, or a double crochet stitch into these chain stitches, which is the foundation chain.